Wow, dollar is strong, boy. It is getting the hell out of here. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Guys, if you're watching this video right now, drop a like on the live. If you enjoy this type of content, more trade analysis, trade setups, etc., etc., more is provided inside of my free Telegram, which is in the description box down below. You can join, it's completely for free. Let's get into today's live stream. Let me just check my audio levels. Okay, let's get the little background music going. What happened to my background music?
Hey guys! Today we're going to learn how to add this scrolling animation to your website in Wix Studio without writing a single...
Let's turn that down a little bit. Alrighty. Look, I actually need one of those little, what do you call it? You know those little screens? That's what I need. I forgot the name of it. Scenes? I think they're called scenes. I need one of those little scenes. But yeah, how we doing? That might have been too loud for you guys. Apologies. Stretching lower. Viral YouTuber, what's happening, my bro? How you doing? How you doing? Connections excellent, frames good, kilobytes per second good, CPU usage low, FPS good. Alright, alright, alright. All right, so today I believe we have should have some high impact news today, which will of course affect price. We've got Bank of England's interest rate decision, existing home sales, crude oil inventories. Okay, so we got a couple of high impact news that's going to come out later stages today. Okay, so to be honest, the PM session might be a little bit better. The New York PM, just measure Tokyo. Wow, we had a very huge Tokyo range, 150 pips. That Tokyo range there, coming back down right now as we speak, which is perfectly a-okay. But yeah, guys, if you're in the live stream right now, come say hello. We're looking at gold, we're looking at AUD USD. We're in very good profits for this. This setup was discussed on yesterday's live stream and also sent inside of my free telegram. The link to the free telegram is in the description box down below. If you're new to this video right now, drop a like on the live, helps the live get pushed out to more people, and I would appreciate it a lot. If you got any questions, drop a question inside of the chat box. Let's see how Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's doing phenomenal. We also called out a trade on Bitcoin inside of the free telegram. Link to free telegram is in the description box down below. So we're in profits for BTC, we're in profits for AUD USD, we're very close to TP2. We should be hitting that pretty soon. I don't know why I'm rhyming there. We had a short move on EA that hit TP1 and TP2, but we've now reversed. We saw some pretty good profits. I think it was about 60 odd pips, something like that. 60, 50. Where was the entry? I think the entry was a little bit higher. But yeah, we saw about 50 pips inside of EA, and now we can see it's pushing up higher as well. Right, for gold, we'll have to come back to gold and take a look at gold a little bit later. But for the time being, BTC is moving nice. As you guys can see there, I did paper trade this just for you guys' knowledge, or to see it visually live executions. Right, Bitcoin should realistically continue to drop, guys. Should continue to drop to this daily imbalance around 64k, 64,700. That is my target. So we'll just have to wait for that area to get hit. When it gets hit, whenever price feels like it. Who have I got in the live stream right now? Come say hello inside the chat box. What pairs are you looking at the moment? Live stream's a little quiet today. Let me check out the telegram. How's the audio? Is the audio good? I'm gonna send a quick BTC update for those inside of the Telegram as well. Guys, if you're not inside the Telegram, you are missing out, I'm telling you. Alright, so 3 p.m. GMT, we've got some high impact news that is sure to shake things up for Bitcoin, but so far the progression of Bitcoin is pretty good to the downside. London session, okay, today we had a pretty decent move, right? So 15-minute pullback pre-London Open. Right, come London Open, we had a slight pullback there, and then a continuation to the downside. So let's see. What are we looking at here? Where is it? Notifications, ideas, screeners, calendars. That's pretty cool. But that's not what I'm looking for. Stock screener. Paper trade, replay. Okay, we're getting the regulars in here, finally. What took you guys so long? I was feeling hurt. I was like, what? The mandem don't want to join anymore. My people don't want to join anymore. Why? Is it because of the signals channel? I don't understand. But I'm happy you guys are here now. What's happening, Chelms? What's happening, Gifts? Yeah, I saw the little commotion inside the chat this last night. I was like, yeah, for I guess Chelms and Gift, you didn't know, but essentially all that's happening here is in this kind of space you've got to understand this, and I've already known this from a month and a half ago. I just kept on getting messages. Are you doing signals? When are you doing signals? When you do signals, contact me, or So at first I was reluctant because it's like, bro, I don't like doing signals. Do you understand? But when the Telegram channel has grown, I think we hit over 1,000 subscribers. All of a sudden, a bunch of people just dropped out. And more messages came in, and it's like, what? Like, is signals what the people want? Because if signal what the people want, I will give the people what they want. Obviously, I like being on live stream with you guys, you know, Chelms, Gifts, Mark, when he can make it, Jason, Ritesh, Safraz, you know, all of you guys, right? Because this here, you get a lot more value from than me just, you know, telling you X, Y, Z. You understand what I'm saying? So in that regard, it's like, cool, that's what the people want. I'm gonna give the people what they want, and that's just how it came about, really. So for those that didn't get the memo, maybe I didn't kind of post it up properly, because like I said to you, I'll start opening doors on Friday. I might do it tomorrow, but I'll start opening the doors on Friday, as I'm just populating the channel with trades and stuff like that for now. But yeah, so far so good. At least I gave you guys a BTC move, right? And even for the trade I did, I put inside of the premium Telegram is this one here, and this setup I gave to you guys live on stream, you know. So this is in really good profits as well. Just really quickly, let's discuss about this. So yesterday we talked about Monday's low and high, right? So we talked about Monday's daily range, and we talked about how, look, this looks likely to take out this low here, and if price is going to take out this low here, I don't want to see it break above Monday's range higher, right? Because if we start pushing above Monday, then it's less likely that we're going to run for this low. So realistically, there's a few ways you could have actually done this. You know, you could have measured the whole candle, taken a trade from 50%. Like you can do that, right? You guys can do that. You can measure the whole candle and take a position from around 50, right? From the 50 line. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, that would have still given you a slightly better entry than the one that I took. Okay, but the move is progressing. We should hit the next TP pretty soon. That looks very likely. EA, on the other hand, is just rossing it, boy. EA is getting out of here. So essentially, the other trade was this EA trade as well. Caught the short, I think somewhere around here. We hit TP1 to, yeah, TP1 and 2, right? Early doors, Asia, Tokyo. We shot back up, right? But then we shot back down into profit again. And then this morning, what I noticed was, we've got a huge roadblock, which is this 8-hour candle here. It's a huge roadblock, right? So I was anticipating with yesterday's price action that the 8-hour candle that was printed here would actually push lower to clear this low, because as soon as we clear this low, we're going to run a lot lower, right? If we clear this candle, we're going to run a lot lower. But because we didn't clear that low, and on the hourly time frame, right, I saw this play early doors. I was like, okay, cool, we're probably gonna just tap out of this trade, right? And eventually we did get tapped out of this trade. So for the time being, I'm gonna monitor once we break that high again. Obviously we still got that, what time frame was it? Was it in 1 hour? No, it wasn't 1 hour. What time frame is that imbalance? Is that on the 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour? Or am I bugging out? Okay, I might just be bugging out, guys. But I still want to see us run lower. Potentially we could just come up and test the daily candle again, right? We might take out yesterday's high. If we take out yesterday's high, that's perfectly fine as well. But I still do think this is a short, even though there's so much information telling you that it's a buy. But we'll work with what we've got for now. Gold is pulling back, interestingly enough. We might be able to go long on that again today, right? Why do I say that? We got this half-hour candle here, right? You can refine this area down to make it smaller. I'm gonna work with a half-hour candle, right? You can work all the way down to the 5-minute candle. That's perfectly fine as well. But that's what I'm gonna work with for today. So yeah, that's pretty much the rundown, the quick little update. So the dollar is just not gonna stop, right? My weekly analysis was incorrect for the first time in a few weeks. Okay, but that's okay. We did set parameters in terms of what we want to see the dollar do if it is going to come down. So if it doesn't come down, which is what we're currently seeing, the next target for this will be this swing high here, right? That'll be the next target. So if we can break that swing high, daily time frame, weekly time frame, yeah, it's also weekly high as well. So The dollar, wow, like, talk about a recovery. I'm telling you, this is loading up for this election, right? It is loading up for this election. There's going to be a massive move, right? Regardless, whatever happens to that election, whether, you know, whether Mr. T wins or Miss K wins, it doesn't matter. Right? And the reason why I say that is because regardless, the US is going to enter a recession. Okay? Regardless of who takes the helm. Right? There will be a recession in the US. I mean, this is information that we already know. We already know that we're in a recession. But it's due to get real busy. It's due to get real busy, guys. Gift says in the chat, have you seen that bricks are getting stronger day by? Trust me, bro. Like, everyone is just getting out of there. I'm telling you. Like, no one wants to be involved in a sinking ship, really. I mean, bricks would be very interesting, though. Like, very interesting to see how that's gonna progress. Alright, TP1's officially clapped for BTC. Is it? Is it? My alert went off. Yeah, it did. I did have some info about Bitcoin that I read last night, but I just can't find it for some reason. Gift says they don't trade in dollars anymore. Whoa. When did this happen? I knew they had plans to, but is it official? What are they trading in exactly? Gold long, anyone? Let's see. Let's wait. There'll be confirmations. There'll be signs. Gold's been pretty much selling off. Right, yeah, gold's pretty much been selling off. You got the High of London over here. Okay. There's a brick summit going on right now, bro. Ooh, it might be good for us to listen to that, you know. Let me see if I can't find it. Bricks Summit. Bricks Summit live. Where can I watch? Okay.
There it is.
I think CNN News has got something.
Phenomenal installation there by the guys.
Let me just turn off the music.
If you want to find out
by President Putin and President Xi
when did this start?
on this matter.
Damn, they've been going at it for almost 5 hours.
The expedited consideration of membership requests to the new development bank will serve to enhance alternative financing, particularly for infrastructure projects.
Can you guys hear it?
Are crucial to our development.
It started yesterday. Damn.
I believe BRICS is uniquely positioned to galvanize support for a fair and representative multilateralism. Together, we can
champion I don't know how these guys sit through
the concerns of developing nations
long meetings like this. Like, I'll be falling asleep. I'll be honest with you guys. Like, just summarize this for me, please.
In particular, wishes to
this is why I could never be a world leader.
The UN Security Council deserves our
I'll be
attention.
straight telling everyone, listen, just give me the summarize, give me the blurb. Give me the summarized version, please, I beg.
Representation in the UN Security Council adhering to the common African position. This is not just about representation. It is about justice, equity, and ensuring that all nations can contribute to global governance. Mr. President, Excellencies, Ethiopia exemplifies the practical relevance of our partnership,
smash and grab,
embodying the hope
and
potential that BRICS represents. Our nation, now the third largest economy in sub-Saharan
Guys, if you're watching the live stream right now, drop a like on the live, helps the channel grow. If you enjoy this type of content, more content is provided inside of my free Telegram. Link to the free Telegrams in the description box down below.
These assets present unparalleled opportunities for investment and trade, and our ongoing macroeconomic reforms have unlocked new avenues for growth. Our Green Legacy Initiative, which mobilized our citizens to plant 40 billion seedlings in 6 years, stands as a testament to our commitment to sustainable and climate-resilient economic growth. Ethiopia is equally committed to ensuring food security, having become the largest wheat producer in Africa through enhanced productivity. Our investments in smart cities and tourism development highlight our cultural and historical richness, drawing visitors from around the globe.
Okay.
Therefore,
I see you two smashing and grabbing.
Call for strong intra-BRICS economic cooperation across sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, energy.
I can't lie. I will just read a summarized version of this later because, boy, I'm sleeping just listening to that. Alrighty, so yeah. Had to bust out the Caesar gift. Had to bust it out. Is this not why you are here? You get me? Just test something out really quickly. If I do this, okay, the screen turns off. Alright. So I can't do that. So that means Alright guys, I'll be back. Need to get my food out of the oven. 1 second. Gift says protect your profit because gold will be golden. Trust me, gold will be golden. Alright, so we've had a little pullback into this 1 minute candle, dropped off. Right now, this is quite bearish. Alright, so from what I'm seeing here, doesn't. I know you're not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but it doesn't look like there's gonna be much movement until later. Like, I can tell that already. We've hit TP1 on this, so pardon me. Let me just take something off of this. Let's go modify. Close position, partial close. 0.5. Valid format. Partially close. Alright. I'm gonna move this entry to a little bit of profit as well. Cover that position. I'm gonna leave the rest run. If we can get to that imbalance, that'll be about 2K on the daily. Alright. I forgot to take this, the short for the AU move. Okay, so gold is golden right now. Gift has definitely made a saying now. Guys, if you're inside the live stream right now, drop a like on the live. Helps the live stream reach more people. If you got any questions, go to the chat box. Let's have a conversation. I don't think today will be an eventful one. I think we're pretty much going to get a continuation of whatever was happening yesterday. That's just what I see right now at the moment. Loving the music, bro. Are you actually, or are you being sarcastic? If you are, let me shut up and just play the music. We're gonna watch gold in a 1 minute right now, yeah, for a little bit. For now, the current picture is this, yeah. If we break this 1 minute high, oh, you dead serious? Okay, that's good. It's quite chill, innit? You know, gets you a little bit into the mood. Just to relax, look at your positions, you know what I mean? Even if you're in drawdown, it's like you're vibing in drawdown. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah, so this is the play right now for gold, yeah? We've just come into that half-hour candle there, right? I want to see us break above that 1 minute high, this one here. I want to see us not like wick above, but if it wicks, depending on how it wicks, it might be okay. But I genuinely want to see it break above, and then we'll get a pullback. And then we can potentially target this little range here, and then go for all-time highs again. Guys, if you're in the live stream right now and you haven't dropped a like on the live, what are you doing? What are you doing? Drop a like on the live. It don't cost you nothing. Yeah, drop a like on the live. Helps the live stream reach out to more people. Anyways, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm still here, guys. Right, so gold is continuing to drop. That's why we wait for certain confirmations. Like, gold is very interesting with what it's doing. You know, the dollar's been incredibly strong, and gold has just been incredibly strong alongside it. You know, when you look at the yields, it's like, yo, you're not supposed to be doing this. And this is how you know the market is being manipulated, right? Because we are deviating from the norm, right? So there's obviously telltale signs, you know, geopolitical tensions. Reduce risk tremendously. Just reduce it, I'm telling you. Like, all you need to do is just wait for things to smooth over a little bit. Once things smooth over, we can get much more better sustained moves, right? And they're easy to catch. Yeah, gift, I can't lie, bro. I'm also feeling this. I'm also feeling the tunes. Guys, if you're in the live stream right now, drop a like on the live. If you enjoy this type of content, more content is provided inside of my free Telegram. Link to the free Telegrams in the description box down below. If you got any questions, go to the live chat box. Let's have a conversation. We got Gift, we got Chums, we got Viral, YouTuber. Come say hello. Let's have a little conversation. Gold is definitely not for the faint-hearted, Gift. Tell me about it. Okay. Gold's currently at the half-hour candle area. Okay, we're just gonna keep monitoring for now. To be honest, we might have to wait all the way to stock open to actually see any of these pairs actually want to move. Unfortunately, I know you guys don't want to hear that, but that's the truth. Like, this price action doesn't look like it's gonna do much, at least for now. I mean, AU move pretty nice. Let's take a look at some of these other moves, yeah? Let's take a look at, where is it? EN also pushed way out of the area as well, so we can reanalyze that later. EU, let's take a look at EU and GU. Yeah, EU just, wow, EU's broken the low. That's crazy. Okay. This fib swing is no longer valid. What a drop off. Insane. Monumental. You see, when the dollar wants to flex its muscle, it will flex its muscle. Alright, GU's doing everything as expected, still expecting it to drop lower. Nothing out of the ordinary there from GU. It's good. Goes out on this is what I was on. Cool. Guys, if you're in the live stream right now, drop a like on the live, helps the channel grow. If you enjoy this type of content, I provide live streams, trade analysis, trade setups, all for free inside of my Telegram. Link to the free Telegram is in the description box down below. Just click on the link and you can join, and then come back to the live stream. Don't forget about that. If you have any suggestions, any pairs you want me to analyze, all you need to do is drop a comment inside the comment section, or the chat box, shall I say. Yeah, goals just continue lower. Yeah, guys. This is not gonna do much. It's not gonna do much. We're gonna give gold a little chance. All right. We're gonna give gold a little chance. Like currently, I can see there's a small bit of reaction. Right. Nah. But the R&R makes sense though. We don't even have to break all-time highs to get 1 to 3. So the risk to reward makes sense. This target to beat might be a bit too high. Got in at 27.43.01. So that's around here. What did you enter? Buy or sell? Playing with fire at this point, bro. Tell me about it. Literally. Well, what did you get in for, bro? Was it a buy or was it for a sell? I mean, I commend you for entering, you know. A buy, okay. It might work out for you, bro. It might work out, but obviously that depends on how big your stop is. If your stop is too tight, because I know you're a scalper, it might give you a little bit of problem. You might get life there, gifts. You might get life. Like, the annoying thing is, like, you can't even really use the correlation of the dollar and gold at the moment because dollar's been coming down, gold's been coming down. But let's see. Well, what's your usual stop for gold gifts? Like, would you like to use for gold for your SL?
This year, my broadband is playing up. I think the routers.
Anton, stick to the script, please.
Sorry. Discover an epic struggle to work out why my ice dancing shows won't stream.
Anton, the script.
Watch this film when it comes out. Not that I'll be able to.
Cut!
Discover the freedom to forget your broadband worries.
Hyperoptic. We're in your corner. Check hyperoptic.com for availability and terms.
Yeah, dollar and gold both dropping. It's not looking good, bruv. Yeah, I think gold will come down to 27.38, says Charles. 27.38, what's that? Okay, yeah. To be honest, if we refine this half-hour candle down, yeah, right, we do have this 15-minute candle that's inside of it, right? Now, if we look at historical data, this is where we kind of slow down at, which is where we can start, well, where we can start to look for entries up here, right? But probably the most optimal entry is going to be around here. Alright, the lower this comes, the better it is for us, because it's like it doesn't really matter, right? Because if this comes lower, that means our stop can be lower and our TP can still be a 1 to 3 or higher. Do you understand? There's more upside potential the lower price comes. So let's just see how it progresses. But to be honest, nothing much is gonna happen today. From what I'm seeing, it's a bit dead. I even want to call the stream here. Okay, so with this recent drop, the new area I'm going to look at is above this high. Okay, that's the new area I'm going to look at. Did I just get a message? To be honest, this looks like it can just pull back into here and then just drop off again. I mean, if we were to take it, right? Even though I don't like these type of moves, right? Quick little 1 to, let's say 1 to 2. You know me, a 1 to 2. Quick little 1 to 2. Let's see if this plays out. Is this not a trade? I'm not sending out nothing. It's just us tape reading. Just reading what price is doing. Getting better at reading gold.
Arjun, that money you sent with Remitly made Chacha's birthday so special.
How about that secret family chai recipe you promised?
Of course, Chachi's chai. First, let's get the water boiling. Now add cloves, cardamom, ginger, and loose tea. Oh, don't forget my secret ingredient, huh?
No one makes chai like Chachi.
Stay close when you're far apart. Send money to India with the Remitly app. Remitly UK Limited is authorized and regulated by the FCA.
Okay, so pretty much found a decent move out of this 1 minute candle, drop down. We finally come into, pardon me, we've come into that 15-minute candle, right? Still gonna work with that high on the 15-minute time frame, so you guys can monitor this trade as well. If I were to go long, that's what I look for. I'd look for a break above, right? Might get something like this before we go. That's what I look out for gold at the moment, if we can break above that 1 minute high. Okay, gold is still very bullish, so still gonna go look for some more longs. But other than that, I think I'm just gonna call things there. I don't think anything's really gonna happen, at least for now anyways. All right, guys, numbers were a little bit disappointing today, a little bit low today. I'm not too sure why, but that's perfectly fine. What day is it today? It's Wednesday, right? We might, I might do a live stream tomorrow. I don't know. I think 2 live streams is enough on YouTube. Might do some live streams on TikTok now. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining. Or should we stay? I don't know. I'm pretty happy with the trade so far this week. So it's like we got Bitcoin, TP1, EA, TP1 and 2, AU, TP1. Yeah, AU, TP1 because I think it was like 500. AU, TP1 hit as well. So what is that? 3? Yeah. Let me check the premium. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 3. 3 all hit TP. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Will we get another trade? I reckon maybe tomorrow. Just looking at this price action, it's not conducive for a trade that I would like. You know what? We're gonna stay on. I'll probably just be quiet, just let the music play. Tomorrow's looking good, guys. I can't lie. Tomorrow's looking decent. We got, you know, composite, manufacturing services PMI for both the pound and the dollar tomorrow. So tomorrow is definitely going to take main stage, 100%. Right? For the pound and the dollar, with Governor Bailey speaking as well on top of that. Yeah, it's due to get busy tomorrow. So I should have probably had this live stream tomorrow rather than today. Realistically. Yeah, so guys, just keep watching gold. I think I'm going to call things there, to be honest with you. Ooh, okay. Gold, you want to move down lower? Alright. So, you guys have not noticed, but we've done something very interesting. Right, we got Tokyo low there. We've just dipped beneath that low. Okay, bear that in mind. It's just dip beneath that low. Let's see how low this wants to go. Right, we're about to punch beneath that 15-minute candle, but we might hold. This is actually not a pretty. It's not bad area to start to go long, you know. Gift says, hello Jennifer. How are you doing, Jennifer? You good? Gift says in the chat box, I've been hit. My fault. Got greedy. To be fair, yeah, bro. It happens to the best of us, bro. You just gotta go again. Maybe take the rest of the day off and come back again tomorrow. That's the thing with scalping, though, and I know you know this. Scalping has a very high turnover rate, right, in terms of positions. With scalping, you have to be very, very what's the word I'm looking for? Very strict with how many trades you can take in a day. Yeah, you have to be very strict with how many trades you can take in a day. So let's say, for example, you take 3 trades, yeah? Those 3 trades you've taken, let's just say your hit out is 2 losses in a day, right? If let's say you take 4 trades, yeah? You hit out 2 at a loss, that means you're done for the day, right? Let's say you take those 2, you win. That means you can take another 2. So I don't know how you want to kind of structure that, but just have some sort of structure in place so that it's, you know, a little bit easier for you to kind of manage your expectations. Like, in my opinion, there are good environments for scalping and there's bad environments for scalping. Just like there's bad environments for intraday, there's good environments for intraday, right? In my opinion, this type of price action is very good for scalping because, you know, generally, if you look for, when I posted that video on free flowing market, right, all we've had is just pullbacks, continuations, right? Pullback, continuation, pullback, continuation, pullback. We've got a 1 minute balance here. You can play the candle. I would probably play the imbalance. We've had a pullback, continuation, right? We've had pullback, continuation, and even this setup here was just another pullback, continuation. You see, so it's not really anything crazy in terms of this setup. You can just keep it that simple if you're scalping, right? Okay, so gold is now invalidated that area. It is just going to keep pushing, right? The dollar is barely doing anything for gold to be doing all this extra stuff. All right, what's next? What's next is going to be yesterday's price action. Okay, so on the daily, interesting. Gold is coming down, continues to drop. This is very interesting. I see. Okay, so next target area is going to be the area where we went long yesterday. Okay, which I believe is a 15-minute slash 5-minute area. This is going to be the next area we're going to look at. We're going to see if price can come down to that area. Gift, I hope you haven't been, you know, sucked into going short some more, yeah? I hope you haven't. Alright, if you're inside the live stream right now, you enjoy this type of content, more content is provided. Chelm says she went short at 24.41.7. 24? That's a bit low. You sure it's 24? I think you mean 27.44, yeah? 27.41, which is around here. Oh, you went short around where this entry was, yeah? It's a pretty healthy drop. It's a pretty healthy drop. Okay, I think I'm just gonna call things there, guys, man. Gold's blown out of the setup area, so we just gotta let it build. Let it build. Yeah, Chelm says, yeah, 27.41, lol. Okay, look, guys, I've given you a couple of setups today. To be honest, this one just got completely blown out. We're still in profit for Bitcoin, so we're just gonna chill in that one. We're still in profit for AED USD, Aussie dollar against the US dollar, so we're just gonna chill in that. The target is gonna be that weekly low there. Right, that's going to be the target. It looks quite likely to get hit. EA, EN, we'll come back and look at that another day. For the DXY, just leave that alone for now. It's just gonna, it's on a rampage. Just look how many green up candles there are. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so other than that, I appreciate you guys for joining me. If you guys have not liked the live as of yet, drop a like on the live, helps the channel grow. If you want more of this content is provided inside of my free Telegram. Link to the free Telegrams in the description box of this video down below. Where you like, where you subscribe, you click the box, you can join the Telegram after liking and subscribing. Anyways, other than that, Gift says, cheers JD, catch you in Telegram peeps. Money day. Yes, money day everyone. Thank you for joining me again for another lovely live stream. No trades today, but we'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's definitely going to be the main hitter for the week. So, other than that, always remember theory behind the practice, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.